What you cooking for dinner?
Lasagna.
You like lasagna?
Can't comprehend the magic.
Bro, you're straight up wearing this right now as pants. Ow, there's a mouth right there.
He always goes under the couch. Waiting for the birds to return.
So I'm at Home Depot and the cats are here. And of course, this is the exit. So you got to go around the cat.
Got a taste of his own medicine.
No, you can't come in. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. You can't. I'm so sorry.
Attempted a pull-up.